Smoothie Booster is part of our new Acti-Fit range, a range of supplements to support the most active bodies. But you don't have to exactly be a gym bunny to take advantage of these carefully crafted supplements. So smoothies are a really popular breakfast choice. They're quick to make, they can be really filling and can provide a lot of nutrients. And Smoothie Booster is a blend of whole foods and macronutrients designed to boost your regular breakfast smoothie. So if you'd like to know more, I've got 3 reasons why even the less active amongst us might want to take Smoothie Booster. As always, if you do enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. You'll be notified when we release more videos, and it really does help us to reach more people with our videos. So the first reason is for a nutrient boost. Whilst we do all try to get the nutrients that we need from food, let's be honest, we don't always make the right choices. Plus, there are times when our nutrient needs can be increased, such as when we exercise heavily or if we've experienced illness. So to compensate for eating nutrient-poor food, we need to boost our nutrient intake elsewhere. And Smoothie Booster is jam-packed with nutrients, every single granule. To a base of whole grains, we've got a range of botanical extracts, including artichoke, beetroot and ashwagandha. And that's not all. We've also added essential vitamins and minerals, zinc, magnesium, B vitamins and vitamin C. Together, they provide a concentrated nutrient boost, perfect to start the day on the right foot. The second reason is for an energy boost. Every day, millions of us start our day with a cup of tea or coffee, a cheeky caffeine kick to get our get up and go. Smoothie Booster features a small amount of caffeine from guarana, much less than your average brew, but it also contains other vitamins and phytonutrients which may support normal energy and help to reduce tiredness. Most notably, it includes B vitamins, water-soluble nutrients which fight tiredness and fatigue. It also includes ashwagandha, a root that's been used for hundreds of years to support stamina and help to reduce stress. Smoothie Booster can be used in place of your normal morning caffeine kick to support your energy levels throughout the morning. And the third reason is for a fibre boost. Fibre, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated nutrients. Not only does it support normal digestion, but it also regulates blood sugar levels and prevents cholesterol increases too. Low fibre intakes have been linked with a host of short and long-term health complaints. While there are plenty of food sources of fibre, many of us struggle to get enough from food alone. But each serving of Smoothie Booster provides 28% of your daily recommended intake of fibre. Plus, any fruit or vegetables that you add to your smoothie will boost the fibre content even more. Starting the day with a good intake of fibre can go a long way to supporting your energy, since fibre regulates blood glucose levels, preventing peaks and dips in energy. All in all, Smoothie Booster is an ideal way to boost your breakfast. Although Smoothie Booster doesn't have to be used at breakfast time. Simply add to your smoothie at any time of day. Although do be careful not to use late in the evening, as that little bit of caffeine could affect your sleep. Smoothie Booster is suitable for most diets and lifestyles. It's free from dairy, soya and many other allergens. If you'd like to find out more, check out the description under this video where I've put a link to Smoothie Boost and other products within the Acti-Fit range. As always, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you can be notified when we release our next video.